The 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R is a $50,000 MotoGP bike for the street, delivering a staggering 240 horsepower and the most advanced ground effect aerodynamics ever seen on a production motorcycle. The 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R is not just a motorcycle. It is a meticulously engineered bridge between the world's superbike paddock and the street. As the most advanced production superbike to ever emerge from Borgo Panigale, the 2026 model represents the pinnacle of Ducati's racing-first philosophy, offering a raw, visceral experience designed for those who demand nothing less than podium-level performance. At the core of this machine lies the 998cc Des Mercedes Strade LR engine. Purpose-built to comply with WSBK displacement limits, this high-revving V4 is a masterclass in internal combustion. In its US homologated trim, the engine produces a staggering 208.4 HP at 13,250 RPM. However, the true potential is unlocked with the optional Aquapovic titanium racing exhaust and specialized Ducati Course performance oil, which catapults the output to an eye-watering 238.5 HP. To achieve these figures, Ducati engineers lightened the pistons by 5% and introduced gun-drilled titanium connecting rods. The new high-inertia crankshaft, derived directly from MotoGP development, ensures a more continuous engine response, allowing the bike to scream past a 16,000 RPM redline. The 2026 Panigale V4R is the first production motorcycle to feature MotoGP-derived corner side pods. These integrated aerodynamic elements create a ground effect that literally pulls the bike into tighter lines mid-corner, significantly increasing stability and confidence at high lean angles. Combined with larger biplane wings, the aero package generates up to 25% more downforce than previous generations, keeping the front wheel planted during aggressive acceleration. The chassis has been equally refined. A redesigned aluminum front frame reduces longitudinal stiffness to improve feel under extreme braking, while the new hollow symmetrical swing arm balances the immense mechanical grip provided by the latest Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa V4 SP tires. One of the most radical additions for 2026 is the Ducati Racing Gearbox. This system moves neutral below first gear, identical to the layout used by Francesco Bagnaia and Marc Marquez, eliminating the risk of a false neutral during high-stakes downshifts. It also features the Ducati Neutral Lock, a safety lever on the handlebar that must be engaged to select neutral, preventing accidental shifts during competition. The electronic suite is governed by the Ducati Vehicle Observer, an algorithm that emulates the techniques of professional racers. This system coordinates the cornering ABS, traction control, and slide control with surgical precision, ensuring the bike remains stable even when pushed to its absolute limit. The 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R is a limited production masterpiece, with each unit individually numbered on the billet aluminum steering head. For the United States market, this elite superbike carries an MSRP of $49,995.